When it comes to reliable AC installation in Burnsville, Minnesota, trust the experts at Bob Boldt HVAC. With years of experience and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we're your go-to choice for all your cooling needs. Our skilled technicians will assess your space, recommend the ideal system, and provide a seamless installation process. We take pride in our attention to detail, ensuring your new AC unit operates efficiently and effectively, keeping you comfortable year-round. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we prioritize your comfort and peace of mind. For top-notch AC installation services in Burnsville, Minnesota, choose us for a cool and comfortable home. Contact our Bob Boldt HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for AC installation near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What is the cheapest way to install air conditioning? Installed in walls with sleeves already carved out, wall air conditioners are a reasonably priced cooling alternative. You'll spend less money installing a wall unit if your house already has a sleeve for it. Not all residences have central air ducts. Are HVAC prices going down in 2023? A new wave of price hikes will take effect in 2023, and many HVAC manufacturers have already declared price increases in that year. Numerous variables, such as the price of raw materials, rising labor expenses, the cost of gasoline and transportation, and modifications to processes, are to blame for the rises. What is your AC installation service area for Burnsville, Minnesota? Our local AC installation has been providing services in the surrounding areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Savage, Bloomington, Eagan, Rosemount, Richfield, Prairie Lake, Lakeville, Edina, Mendota Heights, Farmington, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Hopkins, Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. Our phone number is 651 927-4550. Visit our website, https://bobvic.com/burnsville-fots/